Hi everyone, this is Carol Hill. This is a short video about the new My Contributions feature in the FamilySearch Family Tree app. I think you're going to like it. So let's get started and let me show you. What we're going to do is go ahead and go to our mobile app. I'm using an Apple iPhone, so it may be a little different, but you're going to want to find the Family Tree app and click on that. And typically you'll come to this pedigree view. And to find the My Contributions, what you want to do is go down here to the little three dots, which should be a little different on an Android. On the iPhone, I'm just going to click on those three dots. And as you can see, they've added a new feature called My Contributions. So if I click on My Contributions, and this will show all of the stats. This is showing all of your stats since, well, for me, it was since 2012. And as you can see, this is all my contributions to FamilySearch. And so as you can see, I did pretty well in 2015. Did okay. I did better in 2019, better than some of these other years. So you can just click on that and see all of the contributions. And if you want to see what those contributions are individually, this shows how many sources I attach. So as you can see, in 2015, I was really busy attaching sources. And last year I did a little better than the other years, but this will show you the sources. The next tab right there is memories. So this shows all the memories. I remember in 2014, I was doing that, trying to add 52 stories for the year. And so I did pretty well. Only got 200, but I did okay on that. And then here's my other numbers for memories. And then if I just want to look at the persons I've created, this shows me how many I've created. And this is for 1,000 since 2012. So anyway, that's first off, just shows you all of your contributions so you can feel really good about what you're doing, and you can also compare and maybe think, well, maybe I need to do a little better this year. And then there's also another tab up here called Changes. And if you click on this, what I love about this is this shows 300 changes. So I was working hard the last few days and making some changes, merging and unmerging and adding sources. And so, but what's neat about this is, look, this shows the last 300 changes that you have made. And so you can go through that and look at them. Or you can also, do you see this little search right here? You can also search for a name. If you remember the name, you can search right there for the name and go and see the different changes. What's nice about this, someone said, is that, you know, in your Recents tab on your computer, it'll show you the things that you've been working on recently. But if you were to use the source linker and you were adding someone through the source linker and didn't actually visit their page, then they wouldn't show up on recent. So that's awesome to have this as the changes here, and there's so many of them, so that's really awesome. And then the last feature is private persons. So this is showing the top 200 results. So the ones recently I've done too, that are living people. Private people, you know, in FamilySearch, they don't want to, we're not doing private people because of privacy issues. And so this will just show me the private persons that I've added in the top 200. And then you can also do the search there. There's also a search place too. So anyway, take a look at it and see what you think. This My Contributions is supposed to be coming also on the web as well, so you can see it from your computer at some point. So anyway, hope you're having a great day. Take a look.